In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create gradient text on Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations and add a bit of flair to otherwise plain text. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get those vibrant gradients up and running in no time. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Remember, you must have an account to access Google Slides, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you have two options. You can either start with a blank presentation by selecting the blank option, or if you're feeling creative and want a little head start on the design, choose from a variety of templates Google has to offer. This flexibility is one of the many reasons why Google Slides is a preferred tool for creating presentations. For demonstration purposes, we'll proceed with a blank presentation, which allows us to customize to our heart's content. With your new presentation open, it's time to create the gradient to your text. To begin, click on a text box to select your text. If you don't have a text box yet, simply click Insert in the top menu, then choose Text Box to create one. Now, select your text by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words you want to enhance. This selection is crucial because the upcoming changes will only apply to the highlighted text. Next, look for the fill color icon on the toolbar above. It often resembles a small paint bucket. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options, you'll see one labeled Gradient. Click on it and you'll see an array of gradient presets you can apply directly to your text. Google Slides provides various preset gradient options that you can explore, ranging from subtle to vibrant. If you want something uniquely yours, the custom gradient option lets you include specific colors of your choice. This is a playground for your creativity. By selecting custom, you can combine different colors, adjust angles, and make the gradient truly reflective of your style or brand. You can also preview the effect in real time, allowing you to fine-tune until it looks just right. Additionally, remember that gradient text works well when combined with other design elements such as background colors, images, or shapes. Pairing complementary gradients with subtle slide designs can make your content pop without overwhelming your audience. Experiment with different combinations, layering techniques, and even font styles to see how each change affects the overall aesthetic of your slide. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added gradient text to your Google Slides presentation. This effect can significantly elevate the visual appeal of your slides, making the information more engaging for your audience. So go ahead, experiment with different color combinations, have fun, and bring your presentation to life like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy sliding.